The President will be here at State Lodge to preside over the 90th Kenya Music Festival State Gala. That's more like Kenya Drama Festival's State Gala. As you know, culture and the arts is an integral part of this administration's priority areas and is an integral part of Kenya's economic assets. Let me talk a little to the President's efforts in promoting culture and the arts in our republic. A Kenya Film Festival, the Kenya Film School has now been established, and that provides the youth with the facility to develop film production skills and consequently promote the local film industry. The intake for the first batch from the Kenya Film School was in June 2016 with graduation the same year. In another initiative, Studio Mashinani is taking shape. And this is a project under the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology to build and operate independent audio, music recording, creative production studios for recording quality studio music, commercials, and jingles. This is premised on the slogan that talent is kazi. Most of you will hear it in the terms of talent and kazi. 5 studios have been set up in Nairobi, Kisumu, and Mombasa. So there are 3 in Nairobi, there's 1 here in Kisumu, and there is 1 in Mombasa. Studio Mashinani is based on the fact that Kenya's music industry provides a growth path for the youth in engagements such as music writing, singing, dancing, recording, disco jockeying, emceeing, distribution, and promotion, among other music-related livelihoods. Despite the vast opportunities provided by the music industry, a lot of our youth with talent remain unable to finance the productions and publicity of their own songs. So these studios will enable such youth who find it hard and expensive to advance their great careers in music to tap into their natural creative talents and curiosity.